And here given another pair of linear equations are 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Now if we observe the first equation, it is in fraction form, x coefficient, so that will be LCM doing 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Now by that LCM, the denominator 3 purpose LCM is 3 only, so that is 4x plus 3 2's 6y equal to 8. By that 3 denominator transfer to that side, that is multiplication, so 4x plus 6y equal to 8 3's, so 8 3's 24, so 4x plus 6y equal to 24. And the second pair of linear equation is given 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Now we comparing the ratios of coefficients, so for that purpose first the coefficients writing. So for that first equation, a1 equal to 4 x coefficient, for second equation b1 y coefficient is 6, for that constant term is c1 is minus 24. For the second pair of linear equation, the a2 x coefficient is 2 and the y coefficient b2 equal to 3 and the constant term c2 equal to minus 12. Now the ratios of x coefficients a1 by a2 equal to 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2, and the ratio of y coefficients b1 by b2, that equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. Next, the ratio of constant terms c1 by c2, that equal to minus 24 by minus 12, that is nothing but 2. So if here we observe the coefficients of x and y and constant terms all are equal, so a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, that equal to c1 by c2. So the given lines are pair of equations dependent lines. So dependent line means it has infinitely many solutions. So by that graph we observe, that purpose graph drawing purpose first we taking the points. So the first one is 4x plus 6y equal to 24. So now we substitute the x coordinates, x y, x y, and here that y observed means y equal to plus 4x transfer to that side minus 4x, so 24 minus 4x, and multiplication 6 transferring, that is nothing but division. Okay, so for different x values we substitute. So first if we substitute the minus 6, so 24 minus 4x, so minus 4 into minus 6, so minus into minus plus 4 6 ja 24, 24 plus 24 equal to 48, 48 by 6, that is nothing but 8. Okay, for that second point if we substitute 0, so 4 into 0 0, 24 minus 0 equal to 24, 24 by 6 equal to 4. Okay, if we substitute 6, 4 6 ja 24, 24 minus 24 equal to 0, 0 by 6 equal to 0. So the points are for minus 6 8 and 0 to 4 and 6 to 0. Okay, for the second pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 13 to observing. So for different x coordinates we get different y coordinates, and y equal to plus 2x transfer to that side, that is minus 2x, 12 minus 2x, and multiplication 3 transfer to that side, that is division, and the point x y. Okay, so if we substitute minus 6, so 12 minus 2 into minus 6, so minus into minus plus 2, 6 ja 12, so 12 plus 12 24, 24 by 3 equal to 8. Next if we substitute 0, so 2 into 0 0, 12 minus 0 equal to 12, 12 by 3 equal to 4. Next if we substitute 6, 2 6 ja 12, 12 minus 12 equal to 0, 0 by 3 equal to 0. So the points are minus 6 to 8 and 0 to 4 and 6 to 0. So now if we locate these points on that graph, so for the first equation minus 6 to 8, so on that x coordinate minus 6 and the y coordinate is plus 8. Next for that 0 corresponding y coordinate is 4. Next for 6 corresponding y coordinate is 0. Now if we join the points we get a straight line. So that is 4x plus 6y means 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8. For that second equation if we observe here also same points came minus 6 to minus 8, 0 to 4, 6 to 0, that means it is only. So the second equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So both are coincidental lines, so it has infinitely many solutions. So the equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay, Neha went to a shop to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friend asked how many of each she had bought, she answered the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased, and the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Neha bought. That is the problem here given. So Neha went to a shop and she bought some pants and skirts, but how many she bought pants and skirts directly she not told to her friend. She told by a given hints, by the sentences she told we have to find. So we taking the given information into pair of linear equations. So now first let Neha bought number of pants equal to x and the number of skirts she bought equal to y filling. Now by the given problem the first condition is given, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pines she purchased. So the number of skirts y equal to twice the number of pines. So pines are x, so twice 2x, and the 2 less, so 2x minus 2 taking. Okay, now the second condition is given. The number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times number of pines she purchased. So second, and the number of skirts y equal to 4 times number of pines, that means 4x minus 4 less than. Okay, now here we want to write in the general form these two equations. The first one is 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, and the second equation 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now comparing the x and y and the constant terms ratios coefficients. So here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 2, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 1, c2 equal to minus 4. Now a1 by a2 equal to, that is 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by minus 1, that equal to 1. c1 by c2 equal to minus 2 by minus 4, that equal to 1 by 2. Now here if we observe the ratios of coefficients, now here we get a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the given pair of linear equations are consistent. So they are consistent. And they are intersecting lines. Now at which point they are intersecting, now we finding. So the first equation 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. For that, so x and the y equal to, already here we written 2x minus 2 and the point x y. So if we taking a negative value minus 4, so 2 into minus 4 equal to minus 8, minus 8 minus 2 equal to minus 10. So for minus 4 minus 10, if x equal to 0, substituting 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2, for 0 minus 2. If we want to substitute 1, 2 ones 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So for 1 its corresponding y coordinate is 0. If we substitute x equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 4, minus 4 minus 2 equal to minus 6. So for minus 2 minus 6. Okay, for that second equation 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. For that, if we finding x and the y equal to, already here we written, that is 4x minus 4 and the points x y. So if x equal to minus 1, so 4 into minus 1, minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 equal to minus 8. For minus 1 minus 8, if x equal to 0, substituting 4 into 0, 0, 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. For 0 minus 4, if x equal to 1, substituting 4 into 1, 4, 4 minus 4 0. So for 1 to 0. Next, if we substitute a negative term, that is already here we substituted, so that is okay. And if we substitute a positive term 2, so 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 4, that equal to 4. So for 2 4. Now if we look at these points on the graph, so that first one minus 4 to minus 10, minus 4 to minus 10. Next, for 0 to corresponding y coordinate is minus 2. Next, for 1 corresponding y coordinate is 0, that means it is on that x axis. For minus 2, its corresponding, for minus 2 its corresponding y coordinate is minus 6. So for minus 2 its corresponding y coordinate is minus 6. Now if we substitute a positive value 2, so 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So for 2 to 2 only. So for 2 to 2. Now if we join the points, here we get a straight line and it is 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. For the second linear equation, 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 to drawing. For minus 1 minus 8. Next, for 0 minus 4. For 0 minus 4. Next, for 1 0. So for 1 0. Next, for 2 corresponding y coordinate is 4. For 0 corresponding y coordinate is 4. So if we join, here also we get a straight line and here 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now if we observe, both the lines are met at this point and the point is 1 comma 0. So the solution is 1 comma 0. So here 1 represents x coordinate and 0 represents y coordinate. So here y coordinate is number of skirts indicating, x coordinate number of points indicating. That means she bought only one point, not any skirt. Therefore Neha bought only one point, not any skirt. So of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than its width, then find the dimensions of the garden. So here the breadth and length of the garden is not given, so we have to fill. So let width of the garden be equal to x meters and its length may be y meters. Then here our to given of the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meters given. So perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. But here given of the perimeter, so by the given problem half the perimeter, that means 2 into L plus B by 2, that means L plus B. L plus B means nothing but x plus y, that equal to 36. And the second one is given, the length is 4 meters more than its width. So length, that is y, equal to more than 4 meters to width. Width is x, so x plus 4. Now this will be written, then plus y transfer to this side, minus y, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Now here this one can be written as x plus y minus 36 equal to 0. Now the pair of linear equations to we get. So this one too, comparing the x and y and constants, coefficients, ratios finding. So first equation to a1 equal to x coefficient is 1, b1 equal to y coefficient is 1, and the constant term, that is minus 36. Second equation to x coefficient, a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to y coefficient minus 1, c2 equal to constant term plus 4. Now the ratios, a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1, and b1 by b2 equal to 1 by minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1. c1 by c2 equal to minus 36 by 4, that equal to minus 9. So now here if we observe a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So the given linear pair of equations are consistent. So they are consistent. So they were consistent means they are intersecting lines. Now we find the graphs and where they were intersecting. So for that purpose, the first equation taking x plus y minus 36 equal to 0. So for different x values we get different y values. Now y equal to plus x transfer to that side, minus x and x y. So here if we substitute x value as 0, then y value is 36. 36 minus 0 is 36. If we substitute x value 12, then 36 minus 12 equal to, that is 24. If we substitute x value 16, so 36 minus 16 equal to 20. If we substitute x value 36, now 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So the points are 0 to 36 and 12 to 24, 16 to 20 and 36 to 0. Now for the second linear equation, that is x minus y equal to 4. X minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This one to observing for that x corresponding y equal to x plus 4, already here we know, and x y. So if we substitute x equal to 0, 0 plus 4 equal to 4. If we substitute x equal to 12, 12 plus 4 equal to 16. If we substitute x equal to 16, 16 plus 4 equal to 20. If we substitute 36. 36 plus 4 equal to 40. So the points are 0 to 4, 12 to 16, 16 to 20 and 36 to 40. Okay, so now here if we observe, we have to find the length of garden's breadth and length. Okay, so they are positive terms, so in that graph we have to take only first quadrant. Both are positive points coming in the first quadrant, so that one taken means enough. There is no need of the remaining third quadrants. Now for these polynomials to showing on that graph, so for that graph we taking on that x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 units and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. Now we taking the first pair of linear equation x plus y minus 36 equal to 0. So for that 0, its corresponding y coordinate is 36. For 12, its corresponding y coordinate is 24. Next, for 16 corresponding y coordinate is 20. For 16 to corresponding y coordinate is 20. Next, for 36 corresponding y coordinate is 0. That means it is on x-axis. If we join all the points, we get a straight line, that is x plus y minus 36 equal to 0. Now if we taken the second linear equation x minus y plus 4 equal to 0, so here the first point 0 to 4, so for that x-axis 0, then the y coordinate is 4, that means the point is lies on y-axis. Next, for 12 to 16, for 12 to 16, next for 16 to 20 only, here the point. Next, for 36 to 40, for 36 to 40. Now if we join the points, here also we get a straight line, and x plus y minus 4, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Now if we observe both the pair of linear equations intersecting at a point 16 comma 20. Okay, so the solution is 16 comma 20. So in that here also observe, here 16 20 is the common point came. Okay, now here 16 represents x coordinate and 20 represents y coordinate. So here that 16 is nothing but x coordinate is width of the rectangle, 20 is y coordinate, that is length of the rectangle. So therefore width of the rectangular garden b equal to x equal to 16 meters. Next, length of the rectangular garden L equal to y coordinate, that is nothing but 20 meters. Okay, so it is the solution for the problem.